Hello traders, I hope guys you have wonderful day today, enjoying pipping. Today is the 9th of July, blessing Friday, and I just finished my trading day. We had amazing volatility today and most of my traders bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders through live intraday analysis to bank amazing profits. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into straight to the Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Euro USD, if you look at the 4 hour, as I mentioned, if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, we were long and we had a beautiful long trade today as well, which is the breakout. And if you look at the, just give me a second, yesterday we were long here and we banked beautiful profit as soon as the price hit to the profit target. Today we were looking a pullback long after this breakout. So you can see here price develop. You can see here that is the spinning top, and afterwards we have this breakout, beautiful long trade here, and bank beautiful profit as soon as the price hit to the resistance level. Now I'm going to show you the intraday analysis which coordinate with the high time frame price action. And if you look at here, we have the only two trades. This is the analysis we had it at the Asian session. We had a very small short trade breakout, which eventually we came out at the break even. And at the London morning session, if you look at the analysis, we explained to trader the price respected this previous low, so we're looking this breakout. And if you look at in 4 hour, we were looking this breakout. So price developed another triangle pattern in intraday, but if you look at here, we have another small wedge has been developed in 4 hour. This was the beautiful breakout long trade here, and as soon as the price hit to the previous high at this level and the first target, which is the blue fib channel in our system, first target hit, and that's what I explained to my trader, enjoying pipping. We had a beautiful long trade on Euro USD since this morning and banked beautiful profit. All right, so let me share with you the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar 4 hour chart, as I mentioned in my previous analysis, the price broke on this resistance, now becomes support. If you look at price broken here, respected here, respected here, respected here, and that's what we explained to trader. If the price is going to respect the support level, there's another pattern is developed. If you look at here, beautiful inverted head and shoulder pattern, and that's what we explained to trader. Look for this consolidation breakout. We had beautiful breakout this morning and we were enjoying pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit this resistance level, which you can see here, price previously respected this level, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we were long whole day on pound dollar, so bank beautiful pips. Now I'm going to show you intraday analysis, which is going to coordinate with the 4 hour price section. All right, so let's dig into the intraday analysis. If you look at the intraday analysis this morning, we had, let me make it slightly bigger. This is the pattern developed. That's what we explained to trader. The price respected this level, support level. If the price is going to break, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. If the price is going to break this level, then we're going to taking a long trade here. So symmetric triangle pattern, you can see it. But based on that, based on this 4 hour, price nicely broken. And after the breakout, price retest. That give us the confirmation. Momentum developed bullish. And that's what we explained to trader. Just keep taking a pullback. We had this pullback announced. We have this one. We have this one. We had a beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit this level, that I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade on pound dollar. We really enjoyed it, guys. Right, so let's dig into the dollar CAD. We had amazing trade. Some of the traders still holding short. If you look at the 4-hour, as I explained in my yesterday analysis reviews and also my trader, if you haven't seen it, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Yesterday we were short here, bank beautiful pips. As explained to my trader, if the price is going to develop a false breakout and if the price is going to retest, you can see here we have another, you can see inverted hammer or shooting star candlestick pattern. And if you look at this candlestick pattern, that is the bearish engulfing candle pattern. That's the give us a good sign. That's what I'm explaining to trader. Just keep taking a pullback short trade here. So we had a beautiful short trade here. So if the price is going to stay above 124.863 level below, then we keep taking a pullback short trade here. Otherwise, pull back long. So let me share with you the intraday analysis of the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, that's what we explained to my trader this morning. So look for this breakout. This is the breakout, guys. That's the breakout. So look for this consolidation breakout. But within the breakout, as you can see here, I explained to trader the price developed a bearish flag pattern because we have this big move impulsive. And if you look at in 4-hour, you can see here this black, in an intraday bearish flag pattern. And once the price broken and after the breakout, price retest, that's what we explained to trader. Price more likely is going to short, just keep taking a pullback. So we have one pullback, second pullback, third pullback. Beautiful. So just before the New York exchange, opening bell, we banked beautiful pips on dollar CAD. We really enjoyed it. Then afterwards at the New York session, I explained to my trader. So based on the price action, we're expecting this pullback here. As you can see here, these are the level. Price nicely respected. As you can see here, that's the level. The price nicely respected this resistance. And if you look at technically, the price developed another bearish flag pattern, right? Look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. So beautiful breakout short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, that's why we explained to my traders, it's time to bank some profit. You can see we had a beautiful short trade, amazing short trade, bank beautiful profit. All right, guys, as you can see, we had an amazing trade this morning. Let me share a couple of more trades. Okay, so let me explain to you dollar yen. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, we were long from here, from this level. And I also mentioned about the daily pattern. If you haven't seen, watch my yesterday analysis. Beautiful long, expecting here price might gonna hit this level, looking short here. So you can see here beautiful. And if I show you the analysis, I'm talking a counter short long trade here. I'm talking about this trade. You can see from here we were long here, then long here, then today we were long here. Beautiful. We had another pound Swiss franc, guys. That's what I showed you, another analysis and daily analysis. I showed you long here. So technically we were long on pound Swiss franc from here till now. We're expecting price might gonna hit level and then short trade here. Let me share with you the pound Swiss franc analysis. As I said to you, based on the yesterday analysis, this is the counter long trade, guys, here at this level. So today price develop another sideways, beautiful breakout, beautiful long trade. So we were long on pound Swiss franc. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis, and the best important thing is you should watch all that analysis in the real time and enjoying pipping in real time. And the best thing is you're going to develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. That's my main objective, to help traders to bank beautiful pips or develop a trading skills in live trading environment through live intraday analysis. Once I see they have developed their trading skill and producing promising and consistency in trading, then I can also help them to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I help my traders to through live intraday analysis to develop trading skill and get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description in the below. So feel free if you are interested, or even if you are experienced trader. As you've seen, this is purely price action trading. and most of the traders bank amazing profit today. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna love, banking those people alongside with my professional traders. And once again, guys, have a nice evening. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice weekend and stay blessed. And until next time, all the best.